In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Excel sine function. The sine function in Excel is used to return the sine of a given angle, and it can be very useful when you're working with math, engineering, trigonometry, or any type of data that involves angles and wave patterns. The nice thing about this function is that it's very simple to use once you understand the basic format. To get started, click into an empty cell in your worksheet. This is where you want the result to appear. In that empty cell, type equals sine, followed by the number in parentheses. So the basic structure is equals sine, open parenthesis, number, close parenthesis. This number is the value Excel will use to calculate the sine. One important thing to keep in mind is that Excel reads this number as radians, not degrees. That means if you enter a value directly, Excel will calculate the sine based on radians unless you've already converted the angle. If your result doesn't look like what you expected, that's usually the first thing to check. As you type the formula, make sure the spelling is correct and that you include both parentheses. Excel formulas need that exact structure in order to work properly. If you leave out a parenthesis or misspell the function name, Excel may return an error instead of the result. Once the formula is entered, press Enter on your keyboard. Excel will instantly calculate and display the sine value in that cell. If you want to test different values, you can go back into the formula bar and replace the number with another one. This makes it easy to compare results or experiment with different inputs. A helpful tip is that you can also use a cell reference instead of typing a number directly. That way, if the value in that referenced cell changes, the sine result will update automatically. This is especially useful when you're building a spreadsheet that needs to stay dynamic. So, to recap, all you need to do is go to an empty cell and type equals sine. Then place your number inside the parentheses. Press Enter, and Excel will return the sine of that value. That's all there is to it. Once you understand the format, the Excel sine function is quick, simple, and very effective to use.